Special thanks to this company for sending us their solar LED pathway lights. This is a 2-pack, and so we're going to unbox them and show you what they look like. They are 50 lumens, included rechargeable battery, turn on at dusk, and they are dimmable. There's the specs, nothing important there. 8 hours of operating time, 6 hours of charging time, warm light 300K, 2-pack solar LED pathway lights. All right, let's see. Oh wow, these look a little bigger than I'm thinking. So little instruction manual here on top tells you got your lumens, so that's how you control the brightness. So all the way up at the top would be the highest brightness, 50 lumens. The lowest is 20 lumens. So wow, yeah, these are very, oh man, this ain't even plastic. This is like some metal. Dang, very, very nice. Never had solar pathway lights like this. 1, 2, and then each one has a bar. Now those are plastic. And, oh wow, yeah, these are definitely bigger than I thought. So here's the top. We'll remove the sticker, remove before use. And so I'm gonna put them all the way up. I want them on 50 lumens. 1, 2, and then, oh wow, these are actually made out of glass. Wow, so the middle part, this is plastic. Maybe it's not. No, that's, I don't know. I gotta take it out. This is real glass though. Wow, very, very nice. 1 and 2. And that's it for the box. So let me remove this, see what it actually, because I thought this was plastic at first. Yeah, it bends. If it's metal, it's a very thin metal. It looks like this locks into place down here, like so, right there. And then this one just slides into place right there. And then your top, you've got these grooves here. See how the plastic fits into those grooves? And then you just turn it. Bada bing. So yeah, this is pretty big. I mean, it's a little longer than my forearm. Looks like you can use your foot to press this down. I like this. I think I'm gonna actually put these at the very bottom of our driveway. That's where I think these are gonna go. So we're gonna throw the other one together and then we'll put it in the driveway, let it get sun, and show you what they look like. So there's also a on-off switch right here. So you got that daylight off, or that bright white. So my wife likes that color, so we'll leave it there. Gotta do it to this one too. So that one. All right, now we're set. All right, so we have one here at the bottom of the driveway and one here. And so tonight we'll see what these look like all lit up. All right, so these put off a ton of light. That is a huge section, and I have one on each side, the one on the left here and this one on the right. But this one on the right, you can really see the pattern more than that one, but just as bright. Love the brightness. As you can see, it almost takes up the whole front of my driveway. That's what you can expect from this 2-pack. These are definitely durable, definitely strong, probably some of the best solar lights I've ever used. So that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.